Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to export video in Premiere Pro. So after you've made your changes and your edits, what you'll have to do is simply click on export in the corner here. Then here you'll have to enter the file name. Here you can change it to whatever you want. I'm gonna enter this here. Then here you'll have to choose the location where you want to save this video. Then here you'll have some presets that you can use. I usually go with this one here. And then here you have the format of your video. Usually I go with this one here. And then here you have different settings that I don't recommend you to change. Only if you have captions, you can enable this. But as you can see, I don't have any captions on my videos. Now here is very important. Here you'll have to simply make sure scale to fit is selected. And after that, simply click on export, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.